Right now, you can probably hear some background noise, cars, winds, birds. That's perfect. This is exactly what we want to test. In this live stream, I will show you two things first. Phone microphone as well as microphone. Second, the noise reduction. Let's see how it handles background noise. Third, the distance, how far it can go. Okay, first, let's check the sound quality. This way it's doing okay, and also can work on camera. Noise reduction mode. It also has volume adjust key. Click this one, turn on reverb mode. Reverb mode. Reverb mode turned off. I'm speaking from exactly the same spot, 1.8 meters from my phone. So you can judge if my voice is still clear. Alright, let's test the distance. I'm going to turn my back to my phone. Now 10 meters. 20 meters. Can you still hear me? Alright, 30 meters. How about now? I'm gonna keep going. Alright, 40 meters. Still stable? I'll go a bit farther. Now 50 meters. I'm going to turn my face to my phone.